Hello everyone. Good evening. Hope I'm audible to all of you, right? Hope I'm audible to all of you, right? Yes. My voice is clear. Okay. Meanwhile, if you are getting any problem, okay, do text me in the chat box, guys. Okay, we're going to start our session very soon, within 2 to 3 minutes. Good. Okay, guys, we'll start the class today. Okay. Meanwhile, the students will be joining very soon. Hope it is better. Okay. This is the second class of the ray optics for my correct now. In last class, we discussed about the in ray optics reflection through the plane mirror. Correct now. In reflection through the plane mirror, we talk about the regular reflection. Correct now. And as well as the I just revised the topics which are covered by the someone itself. Right, their reflection angle, and then after we discussed about the deviation through the plane mirror, right? Deviation for a single mirror also we discussed. For that, we got a value deviation delta is equal to 180 minus theta. Correct now. Similarly, if two mirrors are present means the deviation formula will be changed because two times reflection will be takes place. Correct now. For that reason, we have started to use the formula for deviation for the two plane mirrors is that 360 minus 2 times the theta. Sorry, here it is not theta, it is an angle of incidence. Correct ना, I value से represent करते हैं. Correct. And one small apology from my end. Actually, my voice is not bit louder. Okay. Actually, I'm suffering from sick. Okay. Please do raise your volume, device volumes. Okay. Right. Cool. Okay. Right. Yes. Then after we discussed about the concept that is the length of the mirror which is required to the man can see himself through it, that mirror. Right now, what is the minimum length which is required? Actually, the minimum length which is required half of the height of the man. Correct now, this is height of the man means to see his complete image, he requires only half of its height of the mirror. Correct. This is also topic we covered in a last class. Clear? And as well as if you're going to rotate the plane mirror by an angle theta. If you're rotating a plane, yes. Hello, Janvi, Ballari. How are you all? How are you all? Good, good, good. Are all of you all settled on right? Shall I continue? Just I'm revising the topic, things which I covered in a last class. Yes, fine, bro, fine. Excellent. Okay, cool. Okay, right. Then after we discussed about if you're going to rotate the plane mirror by an angle theta, whether it is a clockwise direction or else in an anti-clockwise direction, the reflected ray from first position to second position, it will get reflected by an angle 2 theta. Correct now? The rotation of plane mirror. In this concept, we studied like that. If you rotate the plane mirror by an angle theta, the reflected ray will be rotated by an angle 2 times the theta. I given a best example for this one, right? When you are sitting inside the classroom, if you're going to turn your wristwatch and a small angle theta, right? The reflected ray spot from the first position to second position, it will be travel up 2 times the angle what you covered from the plane mirror. Clear? This is the best real life example for the rotation of a plane mirror. Clear? Cool. Right? These are the topics which we are completed in the last class. Right? Meanwhile, if you are getting any doubt, please or do text me. And also, we solve few numerical problems. And today also we are going to solve the numerical problems. Then onwards we are going to enter to the spherical mirror. Cool. Okay. Today's first question is like that here. Okay, actually I given this question for the homework. Okay, don't know how many of you have solved this question. It again I'm going to solve here this one. Cool. Okay, here the question says like that: two vertical plane mirrors are inclined at an angle 60 degree. हमारे पास दो vertical mirrors हैं, right? We are going to incline the two vertical mirrors at an angle 60 degree like this. These are the two mirrors. Correct? A ray of light traveling horizontally is reflected first from one mirror. Actually, one ray of light is coming. Actually, horizontally it is coming. It will strike the one mirror, and then onwards it will move towards the next mirror. They are saying one mirror, and then from the another. The resultant deviation is. We need to find out the value of deviation here. Clear? I will write the figure and I will give a 2 minutes of time also. Okay, calculate this one. Yes, look at here. This is a first mirror, right? First mirror, and another one mirror which is actually inclined to this mirror with an angle 60 degree. Correct now? That one, right? Yes, with an angle 60 degree. This is the second mirror. Mirror. Now in this situation में क्या हो रहा है? एक ray of light which is incident on the mirror M2 parallelly. Okay, थोड़ा सा shift हो गया है. Do adjust this one as a parallel. Okay, parallelly it is incident here. After incident क्या होता है? Reflection होता चाहिए. Reflection तो इधर laws of reflection भी valid होना चाहिए. To this surface we need to draw one normal. Whatever the angle of incidence हो गया ना, with the same angle it will be reflect along the mirror M1. Clear? Now again here for the mirror one, this ray is incident ray, and again at this point if you want to draw a normal means it will be reflect along this direction. Correct now? And the given here the angle between the two mirrors also, that is 60 degree. We need to find out the value of deviation. Okay, this is actually question. Okay. Hi Samanvit, good evening. Good evening, bro. No, actually. No, I can't ignore you, bro. Okay. Will you be there in my class? I will make you co-host. Yes, now you are a co-host. Okay, let me know, guys, what is the deviation angle for this one? Okay, cool, bro. No problem. No problem. Okay, what is the correct answer for this question, guys? We need to find out the deviation. Deviation क्या होता है actually? Yesterday I told you, no, deviation का मतलब है, it is the angle between extended incident ray to reflected ray. Either look at here. For the first ray, this is the extended incident ray, and from the extended incident ray to first reflected ray, this is the angle of deviation, first deviation. इधर angle की sorry deviation formula क्या होता है? Deviation is equal to 180 minus angle of incidence, 2 times the angle of incidence, 1 over. Second, coming to this point, this is what the extended incident ray for the second mirror. From this extended incident ray, reflected ray to here, another one deviation is there. Correct now? That's why I given a direct formula to calculate this one. Deviation for a two plane mirror, we are going to use simple formula like this. Delta is equal to 360 minus 2 times the theta. Here, theta represents the angle between a two plane mirrors. Right? Yesterday I explained this formula clearly. Okay, note on this one. This is the equation to find out the deviation for a two plane mirrors. Clear? Now they given an angle also. No need to worry about it. We can easily calculate the deviation. No, deviation क्या है? Delta is equal to 360 minus 2 times the theta value 60 है. Substitute here. Then 360 minus 2 into 60 means it will be 240. Sorry, 120. Sorry, 120. Correct? 300 में 120 minus करो, कितना मिलता है? Yes, 240 degree. Correct ना? This is all about 120 degree. 360 में 120 होता तो 240 degree. This is what the deviation for a two plane mirror in this situation. When the angle made by the two plane mirror is 60 degree. Clear now? Hence the correct option of time to be option D. Option D. Meanwhile, guys, if you are getting any doubt, means do text me in a chat box. Okay. Hello, Jane with Harvard. How are you? If you are convenient to text, make text. Okay, in a chat box, do it. Okay, no need to wait for it. Don't wait for it. Okay, if it is not convenient, means there is no problem. The question clear हो गया ना? Is this question is clear? Is this question is clear? Oh, then it's fine. We'll move to the next question. Actually, I bring a lot of neat questions today. Okay, next question is like that here. A ray of light incident on a first mirror. Okay, one mirror है, इसके ऊपर ray of light incident हो रहा है, parallel to the second one. Parallel to the second one. Same scenario what we discussed in the last problem. Okay, and is reflected from the second mirror parallel to the first mirror. Right? The angle between the two mirrors is. We need to find. Last time they given an angle of angle between the two plane mirror. Now we need to find out the angle. We need to find out the angle between the two mirrors. I will explain. Look at it. Two plane mirrors are there. First plane mirror तो ऐसे है, right? I'm going to name this one as an M1. Okay. Second plane mirror, it is inclined to the first one, right? I don't know which angle. We need to find out that one only. This is the second mirror. Mirror name to M2 होगा. They given on condition, the incident ray, the light of incident on the first mirror parallel to the second. Oh yeah, shit. For my convenience, I'm going to take this as M1. This is M2. Just I change. Okay. Now, ray of light, which is incident on a first mirror, is parallel to the M2. Parallel means like this. This is the parallel line for the M2. After, what will happen? Reflection. Reflection loss to satisfy hona chahiye. Now at this point, if you're going to draw normal, it makes an angle of incidence. With the same angle of incidence, the ray of light will be reflect along in this direction. This is the reflected ray for the mirror 1. For the mirror 2, it is the incident ray. And again, if it is strikes on the mirror means, again it will be reflected back with the same angle of incidence. Correct now? Then they given the second mirror parallel, the second, and the reflected ray from the second mirror parallel to the first mirror. Means here reflection हो रहा है ना, ये parallel होता है first mirror. Means it will move in this direction, parallel to the first mirror. Now we need to find out the value of theta between these two parallel, sorry, plane mirrors. क्या होता है plane mirrors का angle इधर? Do text me the chart box. Observe that one. Observe the angle there. What will be the correct answer? It's a direct answer, we can say. Direct question. Do text me in the chat box. Akshita, Jamie, Ballari, Dharwad. Am I audible to everyone, right? Hello. Yes. Look at here. If you consider this portion means it is looking like an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Sum of the each angle will be equilateral triangle का total angle कितना होता है 180 degree. Then each of this angle will become 60 degree. Sir, increase. Actually, team, listen. I'm not feeling well properly. Okay, I can't able to rise my volume. Already I took 2 classes. The energy is very less. Okay, please do increase your device volumes there. Okay, please do increase your device volume. Cool. Right? Hence, the correct answer obtained here, it is 60 degree. Clear enough? Now, I hope it is understood. We'll move to the next problem. Yes, this is a JEE question, guys. Previous year JEE question. Previous year JEE question. This is question. क्या है इधर? Two plane mirrors P and Q are aligned parallel to each other. Two plane mirrors are there. Okay, actually they are aligned parallel to the each other, right? As shown in the figure they said, but the figure is not there here. I will draw the figure, no worries. Okay, figure like this. Two plane mirrors, they given a P and Q name for it. Parallelly aligned किया है P Q and they are separated by distance. We can call this one as an D. Okay, a ray of light incident at an angle, this is theta, at an angle theta, at a point just inside one end of A. One end of A means any one plane mirror if you're going to consider. This is the first plane mirror. This is the second plane mirror. उसका length है just मान लो L. Okay. To this construction, okay, there is an incident ray will be incident at a point A like this, right? The plane of incidence coincide with the plane of figure. Okay, the maximum number of times the ray undergoes reflection, including first one also. Means during this condition, I know yesterday I explained you, when you're going to keep two plane mirrors parallel to each other, at the time you might observe the images which are formed inside the mirrors. There are infinite number of images will be formed. Means number of reflection will be more. N number of reflection will be takes place. Same concept here also. Here, with respect to the angle, how many times it will be reflect in this length? The ray of light, how many times it will be reflect? We need to find out. Clear now? First one, they given this much only figure. कुछ नहीं दे दिया है. This is the incident ray. At the point of incidence, if you want to draw normal means it will be reflect back to the second mirror. Correct now? Now it is the first reflection. First reflection हो गया. For this is a reflected ray for the mirror Q. At this point, if you at this point for the plane mirror P, this is the incident ray. Correct now? At this point again you need to draw normal. And then if you draw a normal means from this point of incidence again it will be reflected back to the Q. And again this is a reflected ray which acts as an incident ray for the mirror Q. Again it will be reflected back, and again it will be reflect back, and again it will be reflect back. Correct now? Like this phenomena will be takes place. Here we need to find out with a particular length, we need to find out how many times the ray will be get reflected. मालूम हो गया ना? right? To solve this one, guys, what I will do, look at here. This is a normal. If you draw a normal line, extended means here it will be touched. This is the first reflection. Correct now? This is what the first reflection. ये फर्स्ट रिफ्लेक्शन में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया है मुझे तो पता नहीं. दैट्स व्हाई मेरे मैथ्स टीचर एक फार्मूला सॉरी एक बात बोला है मुझे. इफ यू डोंट नो मींस यू टेक x. करेक्ट. इफ यू डोंट नो मींस टेक x. like this, how many times it will be reflect here? I don't know. That's why number of reflection calculate करने के लिए I will call this one as an n number times it will be reflect here. Correct है ना? Now coming to the point. Then how we are going to define the total length here? Total length. This total length, L. Total length. If you know the value of small x here, like this, if you're going to add n number of reflection, n number of x, then it will give the total length L. Correct now? That's why I'm going to write the L value as an n times the x. n number of reflection maybe takes place now. That's why. Correct? Clear ho gaya. And look at this options once again. Once you know, not on this sorry, look at the options. In all the options, there is a trigonometric function tan. Tan hai to either dekho ek baar. If you're going to consider for the first reflection, it makes an angle theta. If you're going to take a general image, we can, it is a right angle triangle. We can define here tan theta. Correct now? Tan theta kya hota hai, guys? Tan theta is equal to opposite by opposite side by adjacent. For this theta, opposite side is x, adjacent side is distance between the two mirrors. That is d. Opposite side is x, distance between the two mirrors is d. हमारा आंसर तो मैक्सिमम आ गया इधर से. क्लियर है ना? नाउ वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ n only. To find out n, we don't know the value of x and d, right? Here, x value we can evaluate from this equation. Correct? Look at carefully. I'm going to call this equation number 1. This is the equation number 2. Right? Now, if you're going to take this value, equation of 1, L value equal hota hai n times the x. If I substitute the value of x here, means x का value कितना होता है? Keep this x in the right hand side, take n to left hand side. Then it will become L by n is equal to x. Correct now? Substitute this value in this equation number 2. Then tan theta is equal to x का value कितना है? L by n into d. Correct now? What we need to find out actually? We need to find out the value of n, number of reflection. Here it is. Take this one to left hand side. Then n value will be equal to L divided by take tan theta to right hand side. Then it will become, it will comes to denominator. Then d tan theta. The n value is going to be L by d tan theta. Clear now? This is JEE question, guys. Okay. Be careful about like these questions. Previous year में same question, concept the same है, but they given a values here. L value they given 2√3. Distance between a two plane mirrors is 1 meter. Okay, find the number of reflection, including first also. They might say if this value is including first one, guys. This is for including first one. This is for including first one. If they are asking for the excluding, if they ask for excluding one, okay, just a minute. If they are asking for excluding first reflection, okay, just do n value with LD tan theta minus 1. Okay, just minus 1 कर दो. This is the value for excluding one reflection. Clear है ना? समझ के आ गए क्या? पता है था? Do text me in the chat box if you are understood means. Then we Ballari. Yes, hope it is clear. Okay, we'll move to the next slide. Yes. Next question to है a ray reflected successively from two plane mirrors inclined at a certain angle undergoes a deviation of 300 degree. This is degree, not 3000. Okay. The number of images observed are means we know basically when two plane mirrors are kept at an angle theta, we are going to find out the values of number of images formed between the two plane mirrors. Similarly, in a similar kind, we need to find out the values of number of images. But if you want to find out the number of images between the two mirrors, you need to find out the value of what is the angle between the two plane mirrors. Correct, enough. But they didn't give the value of angle between the two plane mirrors. Instead of they given deviation. Deviation कितना they given 300 degree. इसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं दे दिया. Right? How to find out the values here? I will give you a minute. Okay. Let me know what is the correct answer for this one. Hello, Yesh. Yes, bro, I got it, bro. Okay. Sorry, actually, I'm not following the YouTube last few minutes. Okay. Regularly, I'm following here now. Cool. No problem. For international Olympiad also, you can choose MTG publication. And moreover, bro, for physics, you do solve the numericals which are present in a HC Verma book. Okay. It's the best book. And DC Pandey. Okay. I would like to suggest this too because if you're going to look through the questions means they are all the questions which are taken from the Olympiad book only. Okay. DC Pandey or HC Verma. Yes, right. What is the correct answer for this one? Nobody give an answer. Okay, no problem. We'll solve this one. Cool. A ray reflected successfully from two plane mirrors. Two plane mirror hai either. They are inclined. They are also inclined. Correct? Huh? Example. Take this is a first mirror, right? Another mirror which is inclined. It is not correct. Just a minute. Second one is inclined to first one with an angle theta. This is a mirror 2 with an angle theta. Correct? Now, here one ray which is coming and which is incident on a mirror, right? Then after it undergoes angle of deviation is okay. After the reflection, it undergoes deviation with an angle 300 degree. Okay, 300 degree they given. Now we need to find out the value of theta. If the value of theta is we know means we can easily calculate the number of images. कैसे calculate करता है? Number of images is equal to 360 upon n. So 360 upon theta. Correct now? But it is depending. I told you two scenarios here also. If this ratio will become even number, then we need to do -1. If the ratio become odd number, then also two scenarios. Correct now? First one, object which is at symmetry means 360 by theta -1. If it is not at symmetry, 360 by theta. Correct now? Let's take, we need to find out the value of theta. That's it. If value of theta will be available means you can easily select the answer from the option. Cool. Now, a ray of light which is incident on a mirror, no. Just imagine this is the first ray which is incident here. And again, it will be reflect back here, right? And again, it will be reflect back in this direction. Angle of deviation किधर है? First extended ray. This is the first extended ray. Means from this angle to ray to here. This is what the angle of deviation. Correct now? Right? This is the normal. Right? For the two plane mirror, I already told you one formula to find out that one theta value. Find out करने के लिए deviation is equal to 360 minus theta. 2 times the theta. We need to find out the value of theta. No, they given deviation. Deviation कौन सा इधर put कर दो. 300 deviation दे दिया है. इधर right hand side में क्या है? 360 minus 2 times theta. Take 2 times theta to left hand side. 300 to right hand side. Then it will become 2 times theta is equal to 360 minus 300 means कितना होता है guys? 360 minus 300. Yes, it will be 60 degree. Means theta value will become 30 degree. Means two plane mirrors actually they incline at an angle 30 degree. 30 degree incline at this situation में क्या करना है? ये दोनों को बीच में एक ऑब्जेक्ट है. इधर एक ऑब्जेक्ट है. Actually, guys, yesterday I explained this complete this process. How we are going to take the 2 theta value. Okay, just a minute, be there. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Yes. Okay. Now I'm an audible, right? It's clear. Right now, for the two reflection, we can take this one as an 360, 360 minus 2 theta. Okay. First reflection to for this single mirror, we can write 180 minus 2i. Right now, for the second mirror, we can write again 180 minus 2i. Either angle of this incident plus reflection of the na, ये theta को equal होता है. Angle between the two plane mirrors. Okay, that's why directly we're taking the formula this one 360 minus 2 theta. Clear? Now we got an answer for the theta, that is 30 degree. Now we need to find out the value for number of images formed between these two mirrors for this object. Okay, now 360 by theta. Actually, I told you this object is at symmetry. Means we need to first calculate this value. 360 by theta कितना है 30 degree. Right now 0 0 cancel, 3 1s are 3 12s are, means 12 आ गया. But this 12 is an even number. If you're getting even number means we need to subtract with a 1. Correct now? Then the correct answer will be obtained for 11. Means when you're going to keep an object between the two plane mirrors at an angle 30 degree, how many images will be formed? 11 objects. So 11 images. Clear? Hope it is clear. Do note down this formula. It is better. Yes. No, thank you. Thank you, everyone, guys. Okay. Note down this formula. This is for two plane mirrors. Right? This is for two plane mirrors. Okay. We'll move to the next problem. Yes. Problem says that here a watch shows 3 minute 25 minutes, 3 hour 25 minutes. When see through a mirror, the time appeared will be. Okay, this is a small like a kids also can solve this problem right now. If you know the concept means, right? If you know means, do text me the correct answer for this question. If the clock is showing now 3 hour 25 minutes, if you see the same time in a mirror means what will be the its reflected image? Reflected image कौन सी होता है among this? Do text me the chat box. I will give you 2 minutes exactly time. Not 2 minutes, only 1 minute. Okay. Do text me the chat box. What is the correct answer for this question? ज्यादा हो गया यार, ज्यादा हो गया टाइम. क्या है इसका आंसर? If you're getting like this question means it's very simple. Actually, ये क्या है? Now the time is 3 hour 25 minutes. Correct? Huh? First, we need to take the value of 12 hours here. 3 hour means it is a 12-hour timings. Means 12 hour 00 minute. Correct now? Either minute be hai. That's why we need to write this whole format in the form of hour and as well as minute. Then it can be written as 11 hours 60 minutes. Correct? 11 hours 60 minutes is nothing but 12 hours, no? Right? Then do subtract this value from this 11 hours 60 minutes. Then you will get 3 hour 25 minutes. Okay? If you want to subtract this one means, yes, I got an answer from screen is not visible. Hey, is this really? Wait. क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ आज? Now it is visible, right? Now it is visible. Technical errors. Lot of technical error today. ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Okay, like this question, if you're getting an exam is, it's a, what they are asking to find out the mirror image of this problem. Okay, what you need to do, first you take the 12 hour. 12 hour को कैसे लिखता है मिनट में? 11 hour 60 minute. ये 11 hour 60 minute is nothing but 12 hour, right? You need to subtract the value of given one from this 11 hour 60 minute. If you subtract this one means 10 to 5 होता है तो 5. 5 minus 2 means 3. Correct now? Either 8. Correct now? Then the correct reflecting image will be 8 hour 35 minutes. Correct answer will be option A. Okay, if in case they given a problem like this, 9 hour 40 minute 20 second. Okay, find the mirror image of this one. Find mirror image. Find the mirror image. If they are going to ask me, how do you will find? Let me know how you will going to find. Same. First, you need to take this value. We have to subtract this value from the standard timing. That's the 12 hour. 12 hour 00. We need to write this format in hour, minute, second. Hour, minute, second means 11 hour, 59 minutes, 60 seconds. Correct now? From this value, we need to subtract the 9 hour 40 minute 20 second. Then 11, 59, 60 second. Either 9, 40 minute, 20 second. Subtract these two, you will get a mirror image. Okay, this is also one kind of tricky question. Cool. Correct है ना? आज मेरा वॉइस तो बहुत कम है. Okay, I will agree with that one, guys. Okay, actually I'm not feeling well, like I told you. Okay, meanwhile do participate in NPS also. Do participate in NPS, right? I can't able to take the class for further minutes. We'll catch up you in our tomorrow class. Before that, please do participate in this NPS pool. Cool. If you're getting any doubt regarding about the plane mirrors, do text me in the chat box also. Now itself. If you have any doubt means, please do text me through the chat box regarding about the plane mirror. This is all about plane mirror and plane mirror questions. Okay, well from tomorrow onwards I will start the spherical mirror. जल्दी से जल्दी खत्म कर लेंगे. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you. We'll catch up in our tomorrow class. Okay, until then, take care. Bye bye. We'll see you in our tomorrow class. Bye guys.